Here I've got BLUBOO Xtouch, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number and also serial number on the following device. We will start with the quickest method, so just open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And that's it. As you can see, here you can find the IMEI numbers. Tap on OK, then go back to your home screen, and now we will go to the second method, so we will open both IMEI number and also serial number through the settings. So open the settings at first, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick About Phone. And here, if you will tap on Status, you will notice IMEI information, so simply open it, and here you will find IMEI numbers for both SIM cards. And now let's go back, just scroll down a bit, and here you will notice serial number. So that's it. This is how you check IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.